Eric here with Renaissance Painting and Carpentry. So this is a house from the 30s. The windows were installed probably 20 years ago, and you can see what was happening is they were rotting. This is the rain comes from the southeast, so they get really wet. They weren't properly painted. Anyways, what was happening, there was some serious rot, but they didn't need to be replaced. What we did was we used a 2-component epoxy called Rotfix, and then sculp wood. So each one is 2 components, and it's a 2-step process, and it turns out great. The stuff is amazing. It sands beautifully. It takes paint. Actually, you can nail it, you can screw it. It's an amazing product, and we were able to save and restore these windows. So what do you think? How's it look? Did we do a good job? Comment below. Thank you.